The Reports page in MadCap Central lets you view critical issues and general statistics for Flare projects. It's a good idea to look at the reports before you publish output so that you're assured the project does not contain issues that need to be fixed. After you open a Flare project in Central, click the Reports option at the top of the page. Whenever you push changes for a project to Central, a new scan will automatically be initiated. While the scan is in process, a green progress bar will move across the top. When you no longer see the green bar, the scan is finished. Keep in mind that larger projects will take longer to scan. The last time the project was scanned is indicated in the upper left part of the page, next to the Reports pane heading. You can also click this button in the toolbar to initiate a scan manually whenever you like. The types of reports and statistics are listed on the left side of the page. The reports on this page are the same as some of the reports that can be found in Flare itself. These particular reports have to do with broken links or undefined information and are considered critical. In other words, your output will contain missing or incorrect information if you do not fix the issues. In addition, you can view statistics for things such as the number of images, snippets, and topics in a project. To see data for a particular report or statistical category, click it. The area to the right is then populated with a chart and grid. The chart shows a count history of the item, with each bar representing a different push of changes to Central. You might see many bars with the same date because you might have pushed changes to Central multiple times throughout the day. Unlike the chart, the grid does not show a history of pushes. Instead, it shows results for the most recent scan and displays all of the instances of the selected item in the project. For example, if you selected the Broken Links report, each row of the grid will show a broken link that was found in the latest scan of the project. The folder and file columns on the left will tell you where the issue was found. The rest of the columns are different for each type of report and provide information to track down the problem. When you view a report and notice critical issues, you should locate the issue in the Flare project and fix the problem. Then commit and push your changes to Central again. When you select a statistical category, the grid will show a count history for all of the categories. However, the chart above represents the count history for only the selected item. There are a couple of additional features in Central that make reports even easier to use. First, you can add report widgets to your home or project dashboards. The best way to do this is to click this button. Then select one or both dashboards, as well as which reports you want to add. For each type of report that you select, a title with a number will be added to the dashboard. The number indicates how many critical issues of that type have been found in the latest scan of the project. If you click a tile, the Reports page opens with that report automatically selected. Also, you can choose to be notified automatically whenever a new scan finds critical issues in any of the reports. At the top of Central, click your name and select Settings. Then on the left, click Notifications and select the Reports option. Make sure you tell Central whether you want to be notified by the Notification Center, by email, or both. Then click Save.